Hello students, welcome to EVS class. Today I will teach you chapter 7 I Love Gujarat part 2. You know that Flamingo has come to Gujarat this winter. He has already visited Kutch, Kandla and Jamnagar region and started for Gir. You must be knowing that Gir is famous for Asiatic lion. Gir is the only sanctuary for Asiatic lions in entire Asia. Seeing Flamingo, the lion says, "Welcome Flamingo. Flamingo, do you live here?" Lion, "Yes. We are found only in the Gir forest of Gujarat in entire Asia. Gir forest is the only sanctuary for Asiatic lions in entire Asia." Flamingo, what is a sanctuary? Lion, a protected region where animals and birds can move freely without any fear and can be protected and bred is known as sanctuary. So what is sanctuary? A protected region where animals and birds can move freely without any fear and can be protected and bred is known as sanctuary. There are sanctuaries in Gujarat for animals like bear, wild ass, black buck and chinkara. Now you have some questions to answer. First question, is there any sanctuary in your district? Answer, in Surat there is Sarthana Nature Park situated at northeast of Surat. Second question, which animal or bird is this sanctuary known for? Answer, tiger, lion, panther, Himalayan black bear, sloth bear, porcupine, jackal, deer, hippo, otter, pelican, emu, ostrich, peacock, etc. are seen here. Third question, have you ever visited any sanctuary? Yes, I have visited Gir and Nal Sarovar. Fourth question, which specific animal or bird is seen in your district? Flamingo, Sarus crane, cockatoo, pelican, parrot, etc. After visiting Gir forest region, Flamingo goes to Girnar. Girnar is a hill region in Junagadh district. Girnar is the highest hill in Gujarat. There are other hills also in Gujarat. Other than Pavagadh, in Vindhyachal hill ranges in Panchmahal, Arasur in the Aravalli ranges of Banaskantha, Saputara in the Satpura ranges of Dang district and Satrunjay in Bhavnagar. There are many small large hills in Gujarat. Write the names of the hills and their districts. Name of the hill Pavagadh, situated in Panchmahal. Girnar Hill, situated in Junagadh. Satpura Hill, situated in Dang. Arasur Hill, situated in Banaskantha. Pamera Hill, situated in Balsar. Now, Flamingo reaches Veraval. Veraval is a big center of fishery business in Gujarat. Gujarat has a longest coastal line in the country. That means region along the seashore is the largest in Gujarat in the country. That is why fishery has developed well in Veraval, which is a coastal town. Then there is Alang port in Bhavnagar. Then there is Alang port in Bhavnagar. In Alang port, there is a huge flourishing business of shipwrecking. Shipwrecking is a business in which old ships which cannot sail anymore due to rusting etc. are broken. In 1983, the first ship was broken in this port. Useful items are removed from the broken ships. They are kept for other use or for sale. Old ships from foreign countries come here for wrecking. This business is called shipwrecking. Next, Flamingo comes to Dang district. Entire Dang district is the forest region. Bamboo, salad, Hadharvo, sishem, timbru trees are produced in this district in huge quantity. Building wood of teak is produced here in huge quantity. Teak wood is mostly used in building construction. Also, wood for furniture is produced here. Beautiful botanical garden Vaghai is situated here. Gira Fall is also situated in Dang. These places are very beautiful and many people visit these places. Saputara in Dang district is beautiful hill station, and this is the only hill station of Gujarat. Here you can boat in the lake. It has a beautiful museum where you can see the display of tribal life, different agricultural tools, hunting tools of the tribal people. This is a scene where people are selling fish at a fishery. This is Vaghai Botanical Garden in Dang district. inside Waghai Botanical Garden. Gira Fall. This is Gira Fall in Dung district. This is another view of Gira Fall. Now about rivers of Gujarat. Gujarat is a region of many rivers. Narmada is the biggest river. Sabarmati, Tapi, Mahisagar are also big rivers in Gujarat. Sardar Sarovar Dam is built on the Narmada river. By this irrigation scheme, water is supplied to many regions of Gujarat. Water is supplied up to Kutch. This dam is also used to generate electricity. You also know the Statue of Unity has been built near Sardar Sarovar Dam in Kevadia, birthplace of Sardar Patel. It was inaugurated on 31st October 2018. 31st October is the birthday of Sardar Patel. The monument is 182 meter high and it is the tallest monument in the world. This is view of Sardar Sarovar Dam. So there are some questions. Dam and bridge both are constructed on river. What is the difference between these two? Answer: a dam is built to collect or store river water and a bridge is built to cross a river. Now, rivers of district. We live in Surat district. So, Tapi is the river of Surat district. Biggest river of Surat district, that is also Tapi. Dams located in this district? No dam. So, earlier Ukai Dam was in Surat district. But now it is in Tapi district. So, Surat does not have any dam. This is a dam. And this is a river bridge. Now, you can understand from the pictures the difference between dam and bridge. The flamingo flew from Narmada river and reached Gandhinagar, capital of Gujarat, visiting Amul Dairy of Anand and Kadana Dam of Mahisagar. Amul, you know, is famous for dairy products. That means milk, curd, butter, ice cream, chocolates and many more. Now flamingo reaches Gandhinagar. Gandhinagar is the city of Gujarat possessing highest number of trees. The flamingo also visited Indroda Park and Mahatma Mandir. From there it went Ahmedabad, situated on the bank of Sabarmati river. Students, you must be knowing that Gandhi Ashram is situated on the bank of Sabarmati river. Flamingo visited that also. Flamingo also visited the beautiful Kankaria lake. Finally, Flamingo visited Nal Sarovar. You know that Nal Sarovar is a famous bird sanctuary. In winter, different kinds of birds come here from foreign countries. You have already learned that these birds are called migratory birds. Nal Sarovar is situated between Ahmedabad and Surendranagar district. Wow! I enjoyed in Gujarat. Enjoyed a lot. I love Gujarat. Do you know who says this? The flamingo. After visiting the entire Gujarat, Kutch, Kandla, Jamnagar, Dang, Ahmedabad, Gandhinagar, the flamingo feels very happy. He loves Gujarat at the end of his journey. This is an activity where you have to color yellow those districts where flamingo has visited. Which districts the flamingo has visited? Let us remember. Flamingo has visited Kutch, Jamnagar, Gir, Somnath, Bhavnagar, Ahmedabad, Gandhinagar, Anand, Panchmahal, Dang. You have to find out these districts from the map above and color them yellow. Do this work in your workbook. With this, we finish the chapter 7, I Love Gujarat. See you in the next class.